Hi guys, welcome back to Marks Game Pass by Susan Hira, tutor. Today we are going to discuss Mathematics Progression Test Stage 4. It's from paper 1. Alright, so let's just get started. It's from year 2024. So the year is 2024, past paper. 40 minutes, additional materials. You can use set square and tracing paper optional. Alright, let's get started. For each question you'll be given time to get your own answer, and after that, when the bell rings 3 times, then the answer will be revealed. So if you study along this video, you may pause this video to get more time and then get your answer and check it out at the discussion. Alright, okay guys, number 1, write each number in each box to make statements correct. So this paper is no calculator. This for stage 4. Total mark is 30. You'll be given 10 seconds to get this answer. After that, the answer will be revealed. Okay, if you need some more time, please pause this video. We'll reveal the answer now. So 7 times table, you have to memorize. 7 times 6 is 42 and 4 times 7 is 28. So this is easy peasy. So number 2, write the temperature that is colder than -6 degree. Should be easy. Are you ready with your answer? Let's check it out. So colder than -6, it means smaller than -6. It can start from -7, -8, any number you can mention. So -8 degrees Celsius. Any number less than -6 should be okay. Alright, number 3. Here is a rectangle, 9 meter, 6 meter, not drawn to scale. Calculate the area of the rectangle. Are you done, guys? So the formula for area of rectangle is length times breadth. So the length is 9, the breadth is 6, so it equals to 54, and the unit is meter. So 54 square meter. Okay, easy peasy. Next, guys, now we are in number 4. Colors counts back in steps of 1000. He starts at 3800. Write the next 2 numbers that colors count. Okay guys, let's check out the answer. So counts back, it means counts down. So 1000, so 3800 minus 1000 is 2800, and so we got the answer. So 2800 minus 1000 is equal to 1800. You got it correct? You got it correct. You secure 1 mark. Let's move on. Okay, number 5. Okay, number 5. Eva has 3 digits cards. 1, 2, 3. She uses the cards to make a 3-digit number. Eva says, I can only make odd numbers with my digit cards. Write a digit on each card to make Eva's statement correct. 10 seconds. Okay, that is the rule. 3-digit numbers, any numbers, only odd numbers. So we have to only write odd numbers. Example 1, 3, 5. Okay, all digits must be odd. You are free to write any odd numbers in here. Any combination is fine. Next, number 6. Number 6. Yusuf goes to bed at 7:15 p.m. Write this time in digital notation as using 24-hour clock. Okay, 24-hour clocks mean the 7 should be, this is night, evening, PM, so 7 plus 12, so it's 19. For 24-hour clock, after 12 midday you have to add 12 to the number, so 7 plus 12 is 19, and 19, this one remains, so 19 15 should be the answer. You got it correct, guys. Next, move on. Number 7, Safia sorts some beads. She has 3 red beads per 100 beads. Write the number of red beads as a percentage of all the beads. Right, guys. How to get the answer? So it's 3 per 100, so 3 over 100. To convert to percentage, we just have to times with 100%. So then we cross the 100, so we got 3% left. That is the answer. Okay, let's move on. Number 8. Gabriela wants to know the most popular color of car in her village. She collects data for 30 cars she sees in her village. She shows the data in a pictogram. Color: red, blue, silver, white. Numbers of cars seen. Key: small rectangle represents blank car, so a rectangle and half of rectangle, 2 rectangle, half of rectangle, half of rectangle, 3 rectangle. A, complete the key for the pictogram. 10 seconds. Alright, guys, you got your answer. If you need some more time, please pause the video, and if you need paper and pen to count, please pause and get some paper and pen and start calculating. Now we want to reveal the answer. So 30 cars, and we see how many rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rectangle, and these two can combine into a complete rectangle, so 7. These two will make 7, this and this, and then we have half rectangle, so we have 7.5 rectangle that represent 30 cars. So then to get 1 unit of rectangle is 30 divided by 7.5. Now 30 divided by 7.5, we can count this by 30 divided by this one, we change into a mixed improper fraction, become 7 times 2 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, divided by 15 over 2, and then it's equals to 30 times 2 over 5, and is equals to, we can cross, 30 divided by 5 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, so 1 unit, oops, there's mistake, sorry guys, so this is 15, so 30 divided by 15 is 2, so 2 times 2 is a 4, 2 times 2 is 4, so it means 1 unit of rectangle has the value of 4, so then that is our answer, 4. Okay, next let's erase this one. We go to question B. Write the most popular color of car Gabriela sees. So most popular will be the most number 1, so this one is 3 complete rectangle, so this one must be the most complete one, most number, I mean. So this one must be 3 times 4 will be 12. So the color in here is a white. That should be our answer. Okay, let's move on. Next we have a number 5. Yuri states all three-sided shapes are triangles. Draw a shape to show that Yuri is not correct. 10 seconds. Okay, let's just draw any side that 3 sides but not a triangle. So one, we can do something like this here and something like that. This is 3 sides, so 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, they are not triangles. Okay, any shape like this should be okay. Just make one side as a curve, then it will not be a triangle. Let's move on. Number 10. The shapes triangle and circle each represent different whole numbers. Here is a number sentence. Triangle plus circle equals 10. Write a value that each shape could represent. Triangle could represent what and circle could represent what? Okay guys, let's check out the answer. If you need some more time, you might pause this video. So any number that add up to 10 should be okay, because only the bold, pay attention to the word in bold, is different. The rule is different, so we can take like 2 to 8, as long as difference should be okay. Any combination of two numbers that make up 10, 3, 7, 4, 6, anything should be okay, as long as they add up to 10 and different. Alright guys, question 11. Here is a journey shown on a grid of squares. The start and finish are marked here. Right, so complete the direction for the journey. The first one has been done for you. Start is here, going up it means north, so 10 seconds. Okay, if you need some more time, please pause this video. Reveal the answer now. So first is go up to the north, and this is a, if you draw the direction, this is east, this is west, and this direction is a northeast. So northeast should be the answer. Northeast, so northeast. Okay, next, this direction is a west, right? To the left is west. So west, this is west. This is northeast. So we write west. And this direction is this way. Here it is southwest, because it's between south and west, and it's in the middle. So this is southwest. So we write south west. Alright, let's move on guys. Now we are in question a 12. Alright, 12. Draw a line to match each calculation to the correct answer. 63 times 10, which one is that? 63,000 divided by 10. Okay, 63 times 10, just attach the 0 to the number, so 630 it should be this one to here, and then 63,000 divided by 10, so we just cancel out 1 0, so we have 6,300. 6,300 is this one. Alright, let's move on. Number 13. Draw a triangle with an obtuse angle. One side of the triangle has been drawn for you here. So that's there. Then use a ruler. Alright, use a rule. You can draw on a piece of paper. Okay, so okay guys, okay, so now we are already having the ruler. So for obtuse angle mean the angle that is greater than 90 degree. So it's between 90 degree and 180 degrees. So the angle is between 90 degree, greater than 90 degree, and smaller than 180. So this line is given, so we have to make a line that is a broad angle. So a broad angle should be something like this, something like that. And then this definitely will make more than 90, as this is 90, so we'll turn this way, so it'll surely make up to more than 90. Okay, so we hope it's clear, this one. So this angle is greater than 90, obtuse angle. Okay, use a ruler. Anything similar to this should be okay. If you have any question, you may write in the comment section. Let's move on. Okay, move on. Number 14. Jamila has 16 black counters. She makes a square array using all the black counters. Jamila also has some different colored counters. These are shown in the table. Tick to show if Jamila can make a square array using all the counters of each color. Number of counters for red. Can make a square array using all the counters, or cannot make a square array using all the counters. So 10 seconds. You have to take either this or this. For 12 also the same. 18 blue also the same. 25 also you have to choose this or here to tick. Okay, you guys, are you done with your answer? Let's review it. So for making using all four red to make a square means the number should be a square number. So 4, it means you can make with a 1 2 and 1 2 to make a square, so can make using all. What about 12? 12 is not a square number. You cannot get the same side. So after 2 by 2 is next is 3 by 3, 3 by 3, which is 9. After 3 by 3 is 4 by 4, this one, 4 by 4. After that will be 5 by 5, 3 4 5, and then 1 2 3 4 5, and this is 5 by 5. 5 times 5 is a 25. So the number that can make the square has to be a twin number that we multiply. We get 25. This we get 16. This we get 4, and this one we get 9. So it's 12 is not, so we cannot use 12. It will be left over 3. 18 is cannot, because after 9 is 16, so cannot. 25, yes. Okay, we hope it's clear. Let's move on. Next, number 15. 2024 is a leap year. Calculate the total number of days in the first 3 months of 2024. 10 seconds. Okay, so what's your answer, guys? So first 3 months will be Jan, Feb, and March. Since it's a leap year, there are 29 days for February, and there is always 31 days for January. For March is always 31. So if we add this up, we'll get altogether 91. So that should be the only answer. Okay guys, if you have any question about this, please write down in the comment section. We'll explain to you with another video. Let's move on. Number 16. 4 children each have a bag of sweets. Mike eats 2 sweets from his bag containing 8 sweets. Oliver eats 2 sweets from his bag containing 10 sweets. Lily eats 4 sweets from her bag containing 12 sweets. Mia eats 4 sweets from her bag containing 16 sweets. Write the name of the children who eat 1/4 of the sweets from a bag. So write the name of children here. You have to write here. Who eat 1/4 of the sweets from a bag. Okay, let's check out the answer, guys. So we see 2/8. 2/8 simplify into 1/4. So this is correct. Mike. What about this one? 2/10. It simplifies into 1/5. So it's not a quarter. 4/12. It simplifies into 1/3. So it's not a quarter. 4/16. It simplifies into 1/4. So this is included Mike and Mia. Alright, next. Number 17. Balloons are sold in a bag of 6. Okay, so Samira buys exactly 96 balloons. Write the number of bags she buys. Are you guys done with your division? So 96 divided by 6, guys, is equal to 1636. 6 times 3, no, 6 times 6 to get 36. So we have to write 16 as the answer. You get it correct? Next, number 18. For 18, I have to make this a bit small. Okay, on the first day of the month. On the first day of the month. On the first day of the month, Pierre, Hassan, and Chan each have 5 pieces of fruit. They will each eat 1 piece of fruit every day for 5 days. Pierre says, "I'm certain to eat an apple each day." Hassan says, "I have a poor chance of eating an apple each day." Chan says, "I have a good chance of eating an apple each day." So draw a line to match each child to the number of apples they could have on the first day of the month. Pierre, the scale is from 0 to 5. So 10 seconds. You have to match in here. Alright, let's start from Pierre. I'm certain. I mean, this is for sure. For sure. So we have to give the biggest number possible. Pierre will have the 5. Alright, draw a line to match each child to the number of apples they could have on the first day of the month. Okay. Now we'll see here Hassan have a poor chance. Since Hassan have poor chance, so we just give Hassan's the score less than half. Less than half is in here either 1 or 2, so we just write Hassan to 1. Right, you may also answer 2 as long as less than half. 1, 2 should be okay. Next, I have for Chan, I have a good chance of eating an apple each day. Good chance mean higher chance, higher possibilities, so we have to write choose the score that more than half. More than half is this 3, 4, 5, but 5 is certain, so it's either 3 or 4, so we just take a 3 here. Okay, 4 chance. Let's move on. If you have any question, please feel free to write in the comment section for this one. Next is number 19. We go to number 19. Here are 4 fractions. Write the fraction in the correct place on the diagram. Fraction that has an odd numerator, fraction that does not have an odd numerator, and this will be the column. Equivalent to 1/4 for this column, not equivalent to 1 for 10 seconds. You have to fill here to each. Okay guys, if you need some more time, please do pause this video and then we'll reveal the answer now. So numerator that has fraction has odd numerator. This is odd and this is odd, so this has to go 312, or this has to go to here 312 or 312 or 515, because they both have odd numerator. But which one is equivalent to 1/4? Let's simplify this one. 3/12 divided by 3, so we will get 1 and 4. So this one is simplified to 1/4, so we will choose 3/12, and this one will be, this one simplified to divided by 5, divided by 5 is simplified to 1/3. So this one is 5/15. Now fraction that does not have an odd numerator, we have is 4/16 and 6/12 left. So which one will simplify to 1/4? Simplify to 1/4. So this one we divided by 4, 4 will become 1/4. This one we divided by 3 and 3. We divide with the same common factor, is 2/21 divided by 3 is 7. So 27. So it's not 1/4. So this one, the 4/16 will go to here, and 6/12 will go to here. 6/21 I mean. Let's check it out. 4/16. So it fit the criteria, does not have odd numerator and equivalent to 1/4. So go to here and here. So this one is 6/21. Okay, let's move on. Number 20. A school trip starts at 9:30 a.m. on 4th June. The school trips end at 17:45 on 6th June. Write the length of time the school trip lasts. Blank days, blank hour, blank minute. Alright, 10 seconds. Okay guys, are you done with your answer? Let's reveal the answer. So it's a timeline. So 4th June, 5th June, and we go to 6th June. So here we move on. They start at 9:30 a.m. on 4th June. So one day will be the same day next day, the same time next day. Another one day will be the same time, 9:30 on 6th June, and then it ended at 17:45. So from the 6th June we have to count from the time um, 9:30 a.m. up to 17:45. Okay, so from 9 to 17 is a 8 hour, and then from the 30 a.m. to 45 is 30 to 45 is 15 minutes. So altogether we have 1 day, 2 days, 8 hours and 15 minutes. Okay guys, let's move on. 21. Here are 4-digit cards, 5, 6, 7, 8. Use a digit card to write the largest number that is divisible by 25. Okay. Have you got your answer, guys? Pause this video if you need some more time to count and use paper and writing pencil or pen. So divisible by 25, so the last 2 digit must be a multiple of 25. So largest we can take 8, and divisible by 25 it must be ending with 5. So then we have a 6 and 7 to put in the toolbox here, and then since the 2 digit has to be a multiple of 25, it will be 75, because 65 will not be a multiple of 25. So then 6 will be here, so that is our answer. Let's move on. 22. Angelique writes 2 different addition calculations using the same digits. Both calculations have the same answer. Write a different addition calculation with the same answer as Angelique's calculations. You must use the same digits. 10 seconds. Okay guys, you got your answer. Now same digit, different addition but a same digit. So here we can see 2, 3, 4 and then 2, 3, 4 plus 5, 6, 7 plus 5, 6, 7 have the same answer, right? So now different addition calculation with the same answer. So we just have to exchange this one, the digit 4 and 7 we can exchange, so become 2, 3, 7 plus 5, 6, 4. It is a different number but same answer. So different number, because this is different number and then this is same answer. So 2, 3, 7 plus 5, 6, 4 will be correct. Okay, that is the answer here. We don't need to calculate the answer here because it's not instructed, only different addition. So if we want to cross check, it's 11, 1, 0, 1 is 8, 0, 1. While this one is also will add up to 8, 0, 1. Alright. As 4 plus 7 is 11, keep 1, and 3 plus 6 is 10, 9 plus 1 10, and we keep 1 here. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 1, so 2, 3, 4 plus 5, 6, 7, 11, 1, 9 plus 1 10, keep 1 here. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8, 8, 0, 1. Okay, let's move on to number 23. Here is some information about 3D shape. It has 8 vertices, it has 12 edges, it has 6 faces. Write the name of 2 different 3D shapes these information could describe. Okay, so anything with 8 vertices, 12 edges, 6 faces, you can see things in your room or classroom or where you are, so you can get that idea. So, or a box of tissue, so that will be like a cuboid and any cube, right? So cuboid here, it has a 8 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we have to draw here This is the vertices. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and 12 edge is 1 2 3 vertical, 4 horizontal, and 4 another 4 in here. So 6 faces, so top and bottom, front and back, right and left. Alright, next let's move on. Number 24. Rajiv looks at his analog watch. The one hand is pointing to the 10 and the other hand is pointing to the 12. Rajiv says the time is 10 minutes to 12. Rajiv is not correct. Explain the mistake Rajiv has made. So if we draw a watch here, one hand is pointing exactly 12 and another hand is pointing 10 here. So this can only happen when it is exactly 10 o'clock. Okay, when exactly 10 o'clock. So then, because Rajiv says it's 10 minutes to 12, so Rajiv must have think that the shorthand is for the minutes and the longhand is for the hour. So we can write our answer here. We can say that Rajiv thought that the small hand was for the minute and but it was actually for the pointing to the hours. Okay, that should be our answer. Rajiv thought that the small hand was for the minutes, but it was actually pointing to the hour. And also longer hand of clock and also he thought that longer hand of clock is for so that will be our answer. He also thought that longer hand is for the hours. That's why he said 10 minutes to 12, but it was actually pointing to the minutes. Okay, let's move on to next one, number 25. Naomi asks, are the children in year 4 better at 7 times table or the 8 times table? She writes a task for the 7 times table and also 8 times table. Both have the same number of questions. She thinks about how to collect her data. She lists her ideas in pairs. Pick the most useful idea from each pair to help Naomi answer her question. So is it this or here? Ask the girls to take one test and the boys to take the other, or ask all children in year 4 to take both. Ask the children in year 4 to take the test. Ask everyone she knows to take the test. Is it this or right one? So allow the same length of time for each test left, or allow more time for the 8 times table test, or is it this one? So ask the children in year 4 if they are better at 7 or 8 times table, or ask all the children in year 4 to take the timetable test. So this one, left or right? So 10 seconds. So you have to take Alright guys, let's check out the answer. So we have this one here. This will be better idea, all the children, and then this will be the better idea because a topic is for year 4. Year 4, not everyone. Not everyone. So allow the same line. This will be a fair test. The more time is will not be fair. As the children, if they are better, it's better to take the test. So this one. Alright, that's our answer. Next, number 26. Anastasia chooses a number. She says, my number is a multiple of 3 and a multiple of 5. My number is a multiple of 6. Write a number that Anastasia could choose to make both her statement correct. 10 seconds. Okay, the first number, multiple of 3 and 15. Have you got your answer? If not, you may pause this video. So multiple 3 and 5 is a 15, because multiple of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Alright, so multiple of 5 is 5, 10, 15. So that is the lowest common multiple, 15. So in here must be 15. And multiple of 6 is 6, 12, 18, 6 times 4, 24, 6 times 5, 30, and so on. So now we have to make multiple of 15, 15, 30. There we go, we got 30. So that will be, the answer should be 30, or multiple of 30 you can do 60 is also fine, 90 is also fine. Any number that is multiple of 30 should be okay. Next, number 27. Ahmed draws a shape with straight sides on a piece of paper. He places a mirror along one side of his shape. He reflects the shape in the mirror. The complete shape he sees is a rhombus. Take the name of the shape Ahmed draws. This is a scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, a rhombus, or a square. So what is scalene triangle? If you need some more time to think, please pause this video. Scalene triangle is the triangle that has all different sides. Okay, this is the discussion, guys. So scalene triangle is this, isosceles triangle, rhombus, and square. So you see the explanation in the video. Will show you that the correct answer is isosceles triangle. How does it work? Check out this video. So we'll explain why the answer is isosceles triangle. That we will put a mirror, it will create a complete shape of rhombus. Alright, so that's the end. Please pay attention to the video that will just show to you. Alright, it's a isosceles triangle, and we put a mirror to one of the sides, and then we see that it will actually produce a rhombus. Alright, I hope it's clear. It has all the 4 equal sides, then that is rhombus. Alright guys, so today we have discussed mathematics progression test stage 4 paper 1 from 2024. It's for primary school, and no calculator. This is our YouTube address, this is our logo. At the end of this video, if you click this logo, then you automatically will be subscribed to our channel, and it's still free. And then here, and then like and share this video to anybody who might need this, and it will motivate us to create more video like this. And if it's possible, you may write a some comment or feedback or question or anything, and or if you are interested to join with our online tuition, it will be available for weekend, Saturday or Sunday evening or afternoon. Please email us, or if you have any special request for solution of past paper, please write in the comment section or email us. We will respond to you. For high priority requests, you can include the screenshot of the super thanks or donation through PayPal, then we'll put your request in the higher priority. Alright, now That's for all. So if you're interested to join our tuition, please also do email us, or if you have any challenging problem, math, science, please drop in this email. Bye bye, and we hope today's discussion will be helpful to you, and God bless you.